Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of my 100 Days HTML, CSS, and JavaScript Projects Challenge. In this series, I'm building 100 web development projects to improve my front-end skills and share my learning journey. In today's project, we will create a responsive registration form using only HTML and CSS. This type of form is commonly used in many websites for user sign-up and account creation. So let's get started.
Before we start coding, let me show you the final result of the project. Here we have a clean registration form interface. Users can enter their name, email, password, and confirm password, and then click the register button. The design is simple, modern, and also mobile responsive. Now, let's build it step by step.
First, we start by creating our HTML structure. We create a basic HTML document and add the meta viewport tag to make the page responsive on mobile devices. Inside the body section, we create a container div that will hold our registration form. Inside this container, we create a form element. Then we add a heading that says Create Account. Now we add our input fields. First, we create an input field for the full name. Next, we add another input field for the email address. After that, we create a field for the password and another one for confirm password. Finally, we add a register button that users can click to submit the form. Below the button, we add a small text that says, "Already have an account? Log in." Now our HTML structure for the registration form is complete.
Now let's move to the CSS part. First, we reset the default margin and padding of the browser. We also set box sizing to border box so that padding and borders don't affect the width of elements.
Next, we link our CSS file, where we will write all the styles.
Next, we style the body section. We center the form on the page using Flexbox and set the height to 100 VH so it takes the full screen height. Then we add a nice gradient background to make the design look modern. Next, we style the registration form container. We add padding to create space inside the form. Then we apply a border radius to make the corners smooth. We also add a box shadow so the form looks like a card. Now we style the input fields. Each input field takes 100% width, and we add padding to make typing comfortable. We also add a simple border and rounded corners. Now let's style the register button. We set the button width to 100% and add padding. Then we choose a modern blue color for the background. We remove the default border and add rounded corners. We also add a hover effect, so the button color changes slightly when users move their mouse over it.
Finally, we make sure the design works well on mobile devices. Because we used flexible widths and a centered layout, the form automatically adjusts to smaller screens. This makes our registration form responsive and mobile-friendly.
And that's it. We have successfully built a responsive registration form using HTML and CSS. This was day 3 of my 100 Web Development Projects Challenge. If you enjoyed this project, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to follow the rest of the series. See you in day 4 with another exciting web development project. Happy coding!